Hi, today I will show you how to replace your car's big lamp or the high or low lamp. Here is the lamp's position, and then you can go to see it has the function, has a adhesive to here. You just need to screw it out. Screw this cover, then open it, and then you just need to push out the cable. Here you push out the cable, then you can see it's a click onto the lamp. Then you just need to pull out the click. You can see this one, the click is open, then the light is coming out. Then we need to check out this lamp is whether it's broken out. We just need to use the multimeters to check it whether it's broken. Here, this one is the high lamp and the low lamp integrate into one lamp, and this is H4 type. You can see this. His type is Philip H4. This H4 is the integrated lamp, and you can see this fuse, the lower fuse, is the high lamp. This upper fuse is for the low lamp, and you can see this has a free paint, and the